check you out, see how you're doing today. Your pelvis is off a little bit. Very nice. What have you been doing today on this beautiful hot day?
Well, my mom's very good. Her friend came in. She's spending a week with us at our house.
Nice. Does she have kids?
Yeah, she has 2 kids. She has a baby girl named Ava and a little boy named Ethan.
How old are they?
Ava, I don't know what Ethan, he's 4.
Oh, that's fun. Put your face straight down for me. Turn your hand to the right for me. Yeah, and put it down. There you go. And then turn to the left. Put your head straight down again for me. All right, sweetie, you're all set. Good adjustment. Nice work.